Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm NaturallyStacey and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all my new subscribers, hello, sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to my handbag unboxing video. Woo, okay, I actually filmed this video last week. I actually filmed it last week with a different lens, and I wasn't fond of the quality. So I said, let me refilm this, make it look better, because I can't have y'all like looking at this, not seeing this in the best way. So for you, I refilm. So if you guys want to know what's in this box, stay tuned. Okay, well, I've been in Nordstrom on the website. I've been looking at this bag for a little while. I mean, I even got the voting consensus of two of my three sisters. My third sister couldn't get on the family FaceTime that night, but I'm sure she would like it because she likes my taste in purses, and I like her taste in purses too. Actually, we all have really good taste in purses and shoes. So, it was, it was a pretty good decision. It was a pretty easy decision for everybody. So when I picked this out, but as I said at the beginning of the video, I actually shot this video with a different lens. I'm actually going to put a little footage of that up here so you guys can see the new lens. But you're actually really going to see the new lens in action next week with my next week's video. And we're not going to get into that. But you'll kind of see what I'm shooting for in that video. But in a way, back to what's in the box. So I already shot this video, so the box has actually been open. The seal is broken, but I want you guys to see the box anyway. So, then I can throw it out, so like this. I'm going to put it down here on the floor. Your cat friend is over there eyeing the box as she sits on some boxes. That's what she does best. But you guys really want to know what was in the box? Well, what was in the box is in this bag. That's right. You guessed it. I got another Marc Jacobs. I already have one Marc Jacobs bag. I actually showed it years ago in a fashion haul that was not shot very well. It was really dark, and maybe you could see it. I'll link it up above so you guys can see my early footage. That was before I actually, lights and all that stuff. But anyway, this is my second Marc Jacobs bag, and I actually like Marc Jacobs. I love his bags. And this bag was kind of a different thing for me due to the shape. Like I said, my mother didn't like the shape, and that's what pushed me towards the bag. So let me stop yammering and show you guys the bag. First, I'm gonna show you the bag. So let me move that. So you'll see that in a second also. But the bag that I bought is the 27 super soft bag in the color cement. I probably said the name wrong. I'll have it down here below. This is the bag right here in the back pockets, which is really cool to have. Marc Jacobs now is doing this new emblem on some of his bags. This is shaped like a camera bag, and I think that's what drew me to this bag. And I also bought the guitar strap, which is in black and gold, and black, white, and gold, actually, which I love this strap. I love guitar straps because they're easy when you carry it crossbody, like so. You're going to see some mod shots over here, me in the kitchen. Actually, me in the hall. Taking some shots with me wearing it. The outfit that I was wearing actually kind of went with the jacket. Went with the purse. And this is the original strap that it comes with. I actually went on and took the strap off in that video so you can see how easy the strap is to take on and off. So, but I do like the original strap, so I am probably going to flip between straps sometimes. But like I said, I like the guitar strap because it's a lot thicker and it's easier to carry. So, let me go ahead and take this off. This bag priced, oh, there it is. The strap is actually $75. And the price of the purse is $425. That's how much I paid for this bag. Yeah, I did. I paid for it. So, anyway, the purse, here's the top of the purse. It has 2 zips and Marc Jacobs' name on top. Let's see, we're going to unzip the first half. Let me take out some of, do I want to take the filling out? No, I really don't want to take the filling out yet because I'm not ready to carry it. But this is what the bag looks like with the filling. Let's see. There's no pockets in the front pocket, but this is the front pocket right here. And then I like how they have it. They have the flaps of the zippers on opposite sides. And then here's the back pocket here. As you see, it has a zipper, small zipper pocket, and a little card, 2 card slots right there, which is really cool. In the cement color, the lining is a black fabric. We're gonna move the filler, and here's the rest of it. It's a black lining to go with the black side panels here. This bag is really cool. I actually like this bag. They have smaller versions of this also, and I think, like I said, what drew me to the bag was the shape of it, and I like the size. I'm actually starting to go to a smaller size bag because I carry rather large bags and a lot of stuff. You guys have seen my what's in my bag, what I can fit in my purse videos and things like that. As you all know, I pretty much kind of downsized with my weekend bag with the MCM, my Vestos backpack, which is a lot smaller than the bags I normally carry, like my Philip Lim Pashley. And that's and I have the large Pashley, and you guys have seen that. Actually, you saw that in my backpack video when I was switching out bags. That's the large Pashley, and I have bags that are bigger than that. As you all know, I do carry tote bags and things like that. So I got to a point probably earlier this year. I bought another bag I have not shown. If you guys want to see that bag, talk to me below, and I will show that bag. I actually was going to do an unboxing on camera, but I don't know what happened. Oh no, I was going to show it in a spring fashion video that has never been recorded. I don't know why I never recorded that. But no big deal, no sweat. But if you guys want to see that bag that I purchased, let me know. And I will I will show you guys that bag also. But back in February when I bought that bag, that was one of the smallest bags I purchased since the Colorado trip, and when I bought the small Kate Spade bag. So those bags kind of started me on the trend of going smaller with, instead of carrying so many things, it's time to kind of pare down what I carry. Do I need to carry such a big makeup bag? Probably not. I really don't. Even though I do like to carry an extra set of lashes, lash glue, tweezers. Yeah, that got me in some trouble going through a metal detector earlier this week. We're not going to talk about all of that. But that incident also got me to really thinking about paring down everything that I carry. And buying smaller bags really is getting me to that road of going smaller. So if you guys want to see what all fits in this bag, please thumbs up this video. Talk to me below, and I will film me. I will actually, see what all fits in here and what I can, pare down to. If you heard a noise, that was your cat friend jumping on an Uggs box, doing what she does best. So, but yeah, I really love this bag. It looks like I think I'm gonna be able to carry this into the fall because it's a good color from spring to fall. And also, like my one sister Donna said, this will be a good going out girls night bag too. And that is it for this video. If you guys want to know any more about this bag, I will have a link to the bag and the strap below from the Nordstrom site. Also, if you guys have any questions, all of my social medias were at the beginning, all the screens, and all my links are below. Also, you can talk to me below on this video. And if you like videos like this, please give me a thumbs up. Also, hit that red subscribe button, and so you guys can come back and see more of what I have coming. And that's about it. It is almost 8 o'clock on a Friday night, and it is almost time for Dateline. And I don't know if y'all know, but I gotta watch my Dateline, or it's gonna be some drama. I'm actually probably gonna fall asleep on it because I'm really tired right now. It's been a long week. So let me get out of here. Have any questions, talk to me below. And that is it. And I'm out. Love, peace, and hair products. Bye.